I congratulate organizer for organizing this purposeful event having concern with environment protection. I appreciate the efforts of CII for industrial development in the country, and they have played a major role in Madhya Pradesh for industrial development. And in fact, I appreciate the partnership of CII and Cement Manufacturers Association for the cause of environment conservation. You know, there is a voluntary commitment of Government of India to reduce carbon footprints up to 20 to 25% from the level of 2005 up to 2020. In this commitment, I see the major role of cement industry for its achievement. You see that in the year 2009, Parliamentary Committee has recommended co-incineration, co-processing in the industry, particularly in cement industry. And there is a lot of potential in this industry for environment protection and for the reduction of carbon footprints or greenhouse gas emission. You know that for regulatory agency like State Pollution Control Board, that cement industry, that is a red category industry, polluting industry, lot of pollution is there. And how to reduce this? And in this scenario, the steps of Cement Manufacturing Association and of CII is really appreciated. At present, what I was studying, around 697 kg carbon dioxide is emitted in 1 ton production of cement. Easily, it could be reduced to 560 kg carbon dioxide per ton production of cement. Around 20% reduction, around 137 kg reduction of carbon dioxide if little efforts are taken. If you see the global scenario, we find that thermal energy substitution in the world, around 40% in the European countries, around 25% in USA, 42% in Germany, 45% in Norway, around 47% in Switzerland. But what is the status of India? Not even 1%. So there is a wide gap. And if there is a concentrated efforts, certainly we could achieve this. That 20% reduction in carbon footprints is no problem. I understand sometime in the year 2009 that ACC, around 0.59% replacement with alternate fuel, that coal replacement with alternate fuel, they have achieved. That is only 0.59%. And they could save 41 crore with this thermal energy substitution. 41 crore they have saved. So there is an economy and of course that environment protection. Both you can achieve with introducing this alternate fuel. Similarly, that I was telling you, not even 1% we have achieved that thermal substitution, thermal energy substitution. And around, I think 42%, 0.42% is Ultratech and 0.59% ACC. So we can think of, there is a need to think seriously on this line. Madhya Pradesh Pollution Control Board has taken lead in the country for co-incineration, to promote co-incineration. And I remember, and otherwise also that Madhya Pradesh has taken lead in this area. In the year 2007, that ACC has conducted trial on hazardous waste, that cosmetic waste of Hindustan Unilever. They have conducted first this trial of co-incineration, and it was successfully done. And since then, it is being promoted. And now, I remember that, that plastic is a great problem, that municipal solid waste, what Mr. Viswanathan was telling. Municipal solid waste, lot of potential. If we use this material as energy, this waste as energy, then there will be a great revolution. Lot of potential is there. You see that the calorific value of plastic is around 3 times to coal. Means that if we burn in our industry about 1 kg of plastic, waste plastic, then we are saving 3 kg of coal. So that equation is there. I remember since last about 5 years I am working here in Pollution Control Board as chairman. I remember initially there was lot of resistance in cement people in our state. Lot of resistance to have provision of alternate fuel or plastic waste. I called a meeting in Bhopal and I told all the cement people, no, initially we have compelled them to go for co-incineration and disposal of plastic waste. Initially there was a resistance. Now there is a great acceptance. Now they are telephoning me that we are not getting plastic waste. Please send us, please tell the people. We have made arrangement with municipal corporation, that Association of Municipal Corporation, cement industry and NGO. There is an NGO collecting plastic waste from the city, and they are sending it to cement industry. And Nagar Nigam, that municipal corporation, is paying transportation for the transporting the plastic waste. It's a unique example in Bhopal. And now I am getting continuously telephone from cement industry, from cement plants, that plastic waste we are not getting. Please tell the people to send this plastic waste.